to pay your Visa bill online with RBC. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay your Visa bill online with RBC. So first of all you have to do is just open the Royal Bank of Canada official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials, like just enter your client card or username right here, and after that just you can also save your client card and username, and after that on the next page just enter your password and just log into your account. And once you're successfully logging into your account, just ensure that you have the latest version installed in your device, or you have access to through the web browser to the latest version of the Royal Bank of Canada's official website. And after that all you have to do is just navigate to the account section from the top menu, and after that just locate the specific Visa account you want to make a payment towards. So for example, you have RBC Vantage or a checking account or cross-border banking account or any other account that you have. So just select the account of your choice, and after that just look for the make a payment option or pay your bill option, and this might be labeled slightly different depending on your online banking interface. Select the Visa account as the source of fund and choose the account from which you want to make the payment, and after that just simply enter the payment amount and ensure that you input the correct amount to cover your outstanding bill, or choose to pay your full balance. And after that just go ahead and choose the payment date and decide whether you want your payment to be processed immediately or you want on a certain date or on a specific date in the future. And after that, before clicking on continue, just review and confirm the payment and double check all these details before finalizing the payment, and you will receive a confirmation message or email once the payment is successfully submitted. So this is basically how you will be able to pay your Visa bill online with RBC. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.